Oh, oh, oh my God. What's up, guys?
What's up?
We are going to be doing another magnet fishing video for you all today.
We're going out in our kayaks.
We are. We are at what's called Shihan Bridge. It is actually in our hometown. So previously, another guy magnet fished here and found a live explosive. So this may be cleaned out already, but we don't think he did it from kayaks. So we're going to throw our kayaks in and actually magnet fish around here, and well, we're going to see if we can find anything cool. We're going to get out here. We got to go down this really creepy ramp, but we'll see you out on the water. Okay, here we go. Very steep. The most scariest ramp ever. I don't like it, Jordan. Oh my God. Jordan. Oh my God.
Okay.
I'm so scared. Oh my God. That was so scary. I normally don't get scared of that, but man, I was like terrified.
All right, let's grab the magnet here. Got my Centurion here. As you guys know, if you guys want one of these of your own, go to the link in our description. Use code TJ Outdoors for 10% off your purchase at Centurion's website. What is that? Oh, I got something. I don't know what it is. Not sure what that is, but cool. We'll try to figure that out later. I did too. Just a bunch of wire. Okay, I got a big triangle piece of metal here. I don't know if it's a V of metal.
Dang it. Sorry. What did you do with it?
I don't know. Another V.
Oh, okay.
So I found another one of the things I found earlier.
No. Just trying to see if it's even budgeable. I don't like. Oh, hold on. I got it. It's really heavy though. Oh my God. It's so freaking heavy. Oh, it hit the bottom of my kayak. Oh, it's still hitting the bottom of my kayak. I got it. Oh. It's a rail. Oh God. Yeah. Okay. So I pulled up a whole freaking bed rail or something. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Jesus. We're playing Ramsey kayaks.
There's one underneath you. It's one underneath you.
I see that.
Okay.
Is it another?
Underneath both of our kayaks.
Oh, it's another. I think it's the other rail to that. Oh,
it's two.
We got a problem here.
In the wrong direction.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Now we found two. Okay. All right. We found two of them now.
Oh, cool.
Interesting. We'll find more of it. All right, guys. So we threw it up on the bank, but we're gonna come back and get it later with our magnets because yeah, we can't keep them in our kayaks. So I got something though, I think. I got a piece of rebar. I got something. My God, that is like got an insane freaking magnetic field to it. I don't know what that is, but it's like insane magnetic field. It really like snaps on. Oh my God. I've almost got mine. Oh my God. Oh, and some, ew. Some, sweatpants. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I was very scared for a second. So I guess there's like a bunch of mud and dirt in these. And, I mean, look at this shape. I thought it was like full of grenades or something. I was like, oh my God. Okay. I found another part of that bed rail and some very gross sweatpants. I don't really know. It has like a steak coming off it. And a little thing on top. I don't really know what that is. It looks too small to be a fishing pole holder. Unless it's like a piece off one. I don't know, what y'all think? Leave some comments down in the comment section if you have any idea what this is. I don't see how we're pulling it up in these. You're about to tip, dude. Uh-ohs. Ruh-roh, Reggie. We cursed ourselves in that live. We said we've never lost a magnet before. Alright, so Jordan's magnet is stuck. Like, we cannot even remotely budge this thing. Jordan's gonna try to get to the bank. Don't know if he's got enough rope or not. We both tried to pull it on it. We pulled from different angles. It ain't happening. Alright guys, well, I believe we cursed ourselves on our live because we were like, knock on wood, we've never lost a magnet before. Well, that has changed as of today.
Here we are.
Jordan, we don't know what it is, but he's either fallen down inside something or we don't know. He's gotten caught on something. We've pulled it, he's pulled it from the bank, we pulled it from both of us from the kayaks, we pulled different angles, and
These rocks where I have some leverage, and it's just like killing my hands. I'm like shaking, trying to pull it through the rope. Is so like so much tension on the rope. It's not coming out.
no, I think it's a goner. Do you have any last words, Jordan?
It was a good magnet. It was my first ever magnet that was like not borrowed from Travis. I think it shows that Centurion has some good magnets that really stick on to something. I will miss you, magnet, but I will replace you.
Alright guys, so in the comment section, leave some really nice words for Jordan as he has lost a good friend today and in his magnet. He cheer him up a little bit in the comments.
Hey guys, we just finished up magnet fishing down here in the river. What's the name of this bridge?
Shihan Bridge.
Shihan Bridge. We kind of escaped out underneath there. As you guys saw, we found a bunch of cool stuff. Travis pulled up like 3 or 4 different little bed railings, and we just found other odds and ends stuff. But the worst part of the day is I lost my magnet.
Yep.
RIP my magnet, but it's still here. It's gonna live here now.
It's alright, that's alright. You know what? We got plenty of magnets, so I'm sure we'll get Jordan a new one. That way he can keep on trucking. If you keep seeing us look over towards the river, there's like literally like hundreds of like carp all swimming up here at top of the water. It's kind of cool. I don't know if y'all can see, but all out there, I think you can see a little bit. See all the dark spots on the water? There is literally like hundreds, like all down through here, just carp just swimming on top of the water. It's kind of cool. You can see a little bit. So pretty neat. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for this trip.
Yeah, you know, we might come back here. There's a lot of more area we could cover. Maybe we'll come back, plan to retrieve my magnet, but we will see. We had a fun time. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a like on this video, put a thumbs up, type some comments, let us know what you're thinking. Any advice for getting my magnet back would be much appreciated. Or anything else you guys want to see. But please make sure you stay subscribed. We got plenty of videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. But until next time, guys, keep it real.
Keep it real, guys.